Hi friends, welcome to FoodWala channel. My name is Pawan Kumar. Now I am going to prepare healthy ever tasty food, fried egg. It is very tasty food for children. They like it and it is so yummy. For preparing fried egg, we want the following ingredients such as eggs, coriander powder, chili powder, salt, chaat masala. Now I am going to fry it. Now I am going to pour oil in this one. This bowl is called FoodWala bowl. Now I am going to break and pour in this. And we have to do that is the remaining one. Now I am going to add some salt. And afterwards I am going to add some chili powder. And I am going to add some in still more some. Now I am going to add chaat masala. And we have to add still. I am going to add coriander powder and coriander leaf. Now we have to keep bowl on like this, and we have to check after 5 minutes. Now I am going to take it and check. Yeah, it's almost cooked. Now I am going to divide it. Now I am going to take it with a spoon. Now I am going to turn it. Like this. I will turn full like this. I am going to turn all. Yeah, if I see this, it's looking very tasty, yummy. Now I have turned it almost. Now I am going to keep and I am going to cook it for a few minutes. Now we have to take care. Wow, it's almost completed. Now we can eat it. Wow, it has completely completed. Now we can eat it. Now I am going to take it and serve in a bowl like this. I am taking one and I have served it. I am taking second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. Like this, we have to take all the fried eggs in a bowl to serve it. At last, we can call any number to eat. Almost, I have served in a bowl. I have served all of them in a bowl, like this. It's yummy. I am going to add ghee to onion fried eggs, like this for more taste. We added 1 spoon. I am going to add still more 1 spoon, like this. Now I am going to give these products to test to my friends. She is Pradika. He's Karthik, he's Charan Teja, and Lich, she's Harshni. Say hi to my friends.
Hi!
Now they are going to test it. Let's test. Okay. How was it, Pralika?
Yummy!
How was it, Karthik?
Too yummy!
How was it?
Nice!
How was it?
Nice!
Thank you. So, hi friends, do you like it? If you like it, like the video, share the video, comment the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.